Let's have a look at how to import an image on Canva. There are actually a couple of different ways to get this done. I will show you all of these. First of all, if you haven't created the design yet and would like to use your image as the basis for your design, then here's how you do it. First, click on Create a Design in the upper left corner of the screen. Then go to Upload. Next, click on Choose Files. Then select the image that you would like to upload. And now to import it, click on Open in the lower right corner. And select Use in a new design. If the new design should have the exact dimensions of your image, then click on Custom Size and then click on Create New Design. If you would like to use different dimensions for your project, you can insert that right here. In my case, I want to use the original dimensions, so I'll simply click on Create New Design. My image is now uploaded to Canva and we're ready to go. Now let me also show you how to import an image to Canva in case you already have a project opened up, be it a blank project or basically any kind of project. In your project, to import an image, click on Uploads on the left side. Then click on Upload Files, search for the file on your computer, left click on it to select it, and then finally click on Open. This will upload your image to Canva. You can then find it in the Images tab right here. To use it in your design now, you can simply left click on it and it will be added to your design. Now last but not least, there's also a quick and dirty way to import images to Canva. And that is by simply dragging and dropping images or pictures directly into the project. So for example, if you have images in a folder like this here and have already opened up a Canva project like I have here, then you can simply left click and hold on the image that you would like to use and then just drag it into your project. And this will immediately upload and import it to your project. As you can see now, we have the image right here. And as before, it will also appear here in the Uploads tab under Images. By the way, this drag and drop method also works if you have your image on your desktop. And that's it guys, this is how you import images in Canva. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have a good one, bye.